what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this prism sound and just start using. The thing I like about this sound is I can use it to sort of float over what I've done before, and yeah, it sort of brings everything together nicely. So yeah, I'm just going to do that right now. So as usual, I'm just going to mess around. Something, see what happens. Alright, so now, just because I've been enjoying using this plugin so much, I'm going to see if I can find something that I can do with Haunted Spaces, the Sonic Couture plugin. Okay, so here we are, and I'm just going to go through some of the factory presets. Let's see what the string sounds are doing. Quickly save so I don't lose anything. Nah. Still not getting that feeling in my belly though. No, it's kind of very similar to the Prism thing. Oh, sound's still loading in. That's what that is. Interesting. Kind of like that. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to record it because, again, time is pressing on and I want to start recording the performance. So let me see. All right, here we go. So I'll do this over 4 bars. Here we go. No, not feeling it. Sorry about that. Let's continue our search. Maybe I won't even put anything in. I think maybe I'm in the wrong place with the strings. Let's go to soundscapes. Or sequences. Oh, sequences might be cool, because they usually have a rhythmic element. Could be getting somewhere. Listen to this again. Okay. Like it. Yeah, but it's too busy. Definitely too busy. But I like it. That as well. Kind of looking for something that adds a certain spice, if you know what I mean, but without taking up too much room because it's really full. Sometimes you just find those sounds that take everything to that next level. Decided this is taking up too much time, and I haven't found anything, so I don't think anything's missing, so let me just switch that off for now. Alright, I think I'm going to stick with what I have. That's probably the best thing I could do. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and yeah, as usual, hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. The more you like this sort of stuff and the more subscribers I have, the more effort I will put into creating more content. Obviously, if I feel like people aren't really watching, it's not something I'm going to keep continuing. So please leave a like, please subscribe, and most of all, please leave a comment. And as usual, If there's something specific in the video that you're interested in commenting on, the best thing you can do, because, you know, with all of this different content, it's hard to keep an overview, hit the timestamp, you know. So say for instance at 2 minutes and 50 into the video, there's something specific you're commenting on. Make sure to timestamp it so people can jump straight to it and know what you're commenting about. Most of all myself, that way I can always be relevant because I know what the context is of the comment. Okay, so thanks so much again for watching. It really, really means a lot to me, and I hope that you got something out of this. All the best for now. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Peace. Well, this could be a good thing to bring in. Let's move that there. And let's just copy all this down one. And then maybe bring in the cymbal. Actually, yeah, cymbal and Rhodes.